What's up, guys? So it's me, Kiani, and today I am actually back with another hair video. Today's video, we're going to be focusing on how I get this smooth out silk press on my very blunt, fine, thin-haired bob. And I have been getting so many questions on my hair. Like, I literally cannot leave my house with my hair freshly blown out without getting a question. So I decided to bring it right here to you guys on video. So just hold tight. There's nothing new here. I mean, we start hair videos with clean, fresh shampooed hair. Of course, I use my Olaplex treatment. I will leave that process in the cards, but of course you do see the fineness and the thinning on the side edges. That is just from, I really couldn't tell you what it's from, other than maybe wearing my hair back in a tight bun. But you see that the coils are still intact, and I definitely want to keep those intact. So we're going to be grabbing my Amika heat blockade. This product, I can honestly say, single hands keeps my hair straight and pretty much frizz free, even in the humidity that we experience here in Georgia. I really get around to probably shampooing my hair at least twice a week. When I'm not straightening it, I definitely wear it in its curly state, but pretty much pull back because I do work out 4 to 5 days a week. So just the sweating from the scalp is not going to allow my hair to stay straight. However, I do love the option of being able to silk it out once a week at home, and this process is how I get it done. So you see that I'm actually distributing the blockade pretty much through the ends of the hair. The residue is going to go toward the root, but with my hair being so fine, I really want to focus on the blondest parts of the hair and definitely on the ends. That is going to give me the most silkening process, and it keeps my curling iron, I think, from sticking to my hair. Of course, I'm going to grab my Dyson hair dryer. I've had this for, I'm going to say now 3 or 4 years, and it is absolutely one of my favorite hair dryers I've ever owned. It dries my hair super quickly. I typically just put my hair in 2 sections and add on the comb attachment and just roughhouse it. Like, I really just kind of comb through it and allow the hair to expand. That's going to aid tons in the process of blowing it out, as well as in the straightening out process. Gives it tons and tons of body, and I know somebody has a better way to do it. They would like to use their round brush and things. I am not that skilled. The only thing that I am wanting to do is blow my hair straight, get all the water out of it, and get it ready to flat iron. That is my process. It's pretty simple. I just want to show you that my technique is not great, but the products that I use really do help aid in the process of straightening out my hair. And do you see how blunt that cut is? Like, there are no layers in my hair. This is something that I think really does allow me the best styling option. I don't feel like I have to overwork my hair to get it to lay in a style. It was cut in this style, and that's the style that when I'm wearing it straight, pretty much rock it in. I've just, fallen to the space of my life that I am okay with my hair being fine. I love it being blonde. I love it straight, and I don't hinder myself from wearing it in this style. And as a result, it makes me a lot more confident with the other pieces of my wardrobe and makeup and things of that nature, because it's just, I know that the hair is going to do its thing, and I don't have to go sit in a salon maybe once every 6 to 7 weeks to get a good trim and to adjust color as necessary. But outside of that, baby, we're doing it at home. You see that I do have me a new flat iron as well. This one, I'm going to try to leave one link down below as the rest of the products. They should be linked in my Amazon storefront. All the products will be linked in the description box or in the comment section on my page. So make sure that you take a gander, take a look at that. And if you have questions about products, they should be linked below. I'm trying to do a little bit better with linking the products to make it quickly accessible. Like I said, when I was coming back to YouTube, I wanted to make sure that I could provide the service of giving you guys the options to view things that I enjoy watching. So I enjoy getting better techniques on hair and products that work, and that's what I'm trying to offer you guys. So comment down below if you've been enjoying the new content, and yeah, that will actually give me some type of indicator on what you guys want to see next. But like I said, as we move through the process of straightening out the hair, I do have my flat iron on 390, and I don't think it's too warm for my hair. I don't even worry about trying to do the chase method or any of those things. I chase it with my finger and get my fingers out the way so the flat iron can do its job. Like I said, I'm not overly skilled. I'm not a licensed hair professional, but this is how I do my hair. And I'm just going to tell you, if I can do it at home, honey, yes, you can too. So you can see that just pushing past it twice really did straighten the hair out. I don't really do a lot of curling on the hair with it being this blunt. As it gets a little bit longer, that might be a style that I might enjoy, but right now I really do like the side tuck. I haven't even gone back to a middle part with this style as much. I just really like how the color allows the hair to pop. And yeah, you'll see that I kind of turned around so you can see, even with me not having all the hair out the way, I can still maneuver it pretty seamlessly. And I just break that hair down. I don't try to grab too many hairs, although my hair is super fine. I try not to put too many hairs in the flat iron at one time so it can have the heat evenly distributed. And although I am passing through the hair at least twice, I don't feel like I have done any major damage to the hair. Like I said, I enjoy this style. I am probably going to grow it back out at some point, but right now I'm just really enjoying this cut, and I do get it a good heavy trim on it every 6 to 8 weeks. So yeah, any damage that I'm doing with the flat iron is not really noticeable. So things that I used to be concerned with in the past, I'm really not worried about as much anymore. And consider that, newer products that we're able to use, knowing how to move through the flat iron, knowing how to shampoo the hair, having Olaplex as part of my routine. I do use Olaplex, that system, at least once a week, and I do a good deep condition on my hair at least once a week, and I can honestly say that has made the biggest difference. I will say also that I do hear a lot of people that ask me about my hair. They're afraid to do their hair at home. And I did not grow up in a hair salon, so any hairstyle that you've seen me rock, I pretty much go to my stylist and ask for that style with confidence that I can maintain it to a certain level at home. And that's just always been how I've been able to manage my hair. And sometimes I've gone through better stages than others, but you kind of live and learn. And I felt confident taking my hair back this blonde because I was able to grow it out using the Olaplex system. And I've just, anybody that wants to listen, I talk about that product as well. So I'm adding on this Amika blockade has been really game changing. I don't feel like the hair is overly weighed down. I just really go through it and soak it out, and the silk press is really going to last me easy 3 days. So typically if I'm going to do a silk press on the hair, it's going to be on Friday. I'll go through the weekend, do a heavy workout on Monday, and by Tuesday I am actually shampooing it again, doing the Olaplex number 3 on there, doing a deep condition, and just pretty much wearing my hair curly until I shampoo it again on Friday. So that's pretty much my process. So if you guys want to see the new shampooed or wash routine, definitely comment down below, because although I am using the Olaplex number 3, there are a few other products that I do use in the shower as well to make sure that the hair is maintained during the week. And like I said, I'm not really having to rely solely on shampoo, deep condition styles and treatments to when I go to the salon, every other month. So that's another really, really big tip. Just kind of get comfortable with what you can do with your hair. And I think that it just pays you back. So if you were really paying attention, you did notice that I did add more Amika to the ends of the hair, especially in the crown of the head, because that is where my hair is the blondest. That is where it is going to be the driest. So I make sure that I use extra, maybe like an extra pump and a half on the ends of the hair, just to make sure that I am not adjusting the hair too much with heat, and it's being protected more so because of the Amika hair blockade or heat defense blockade. And did I even mention how amazing this stuff smells? Like, it smells absolutely amazing. If nothing else, that I cannot stand is when hair smells like it's been burned by a flat iron. So this I don't get. It really makes the hair smell fresh. It really keeps the hair moving. It doesn't give it an artificial shine, but it gives it a lot of movement, which is what I want. Like I said, I don't feel like I need extra shine to the hair. I don't need anything super sticky to make the hair work. Like, the cut and the process of how I straighten it out in small sections really gives me enough bounce. And when the hair even falls, because of the humidity, it's not going to keep tons of bounce, and it falls blunt straight. I am obsessed with that look. So I can honestly say this has probably been one of the best decisions I've had in a very, very long time, which is getting my hair cut straight blunt. And I went into the salon with a photo in mind, I started sending photos to my hairstylist to let her know that I was thinking I was ready to cut it. We did this cut right before Christmas last year, and she told me to come into the salon with my hair blown straight so she could really, really see how the hair was going to fall. So that was my initial cut. We did a super blunt crop on the hair, and when I tell you, I have not looked back. I don't know what I was thinking all those years getting my hair cut with layers, thinking that it was going to give me more movement, because my hair is already fine. It needs something to lay on top of or to collapse on top of. And if I'm putting more holes in the hair with layers. So I really don't know what I was thinking about. But moving forward, this cut I have honestly really, really, really enjoyed. And I think in a few weeks we're going to go a little bit blonder. My hair seems like it's taking this okay. And I feel like we can probably do one more round of highlights on the hair, and that should get me to the lift that I'm wanting for summer. Yeah, and I don't know about you guys, but even in the humidity and the heat here in Georgia, I'm still doing tons of events with my hair straight. How about you? I mean, are we braving it up? Are you wearing it pulled back? Like, what is your hairstyle of choice for summer? Will you be silking your hair out? Are you taking it blonder? Comment down below. Let me know what you're doing with your hair. And you'll see right here in the crown that I am actually giving these hairs a little bit of a fold, or a bump, a little bit of a curl. And that's going to make sure that the hair doesn't lay too flat too soon. And I love it. Like, it looks like it's going to be too tight, but just trust the process. It's not going to fall too tight. It's going to allow me to have a little bit of a bump on it, have a little bit more movement in the front. And over the years, I've just gotten used to how my hair is going to fall. So in the front, falling forward, midway of the crown, falling forward around the sides, and the ears straight down, and in the back, midway, we're going pretty much straight. So it works out great with me silking through the hair. And you'll see that it still just has tons and tons of movement. So I'm just going to kind of comb through it with my big rake comb. This comb came with my Dyson when I received it, and she just stays right on my desk, honey. Yes, she's not one of the combs that goes in my purse. You see the movement. And now we're going to get ready to camouflage these sides over here. And it's not really bad, but what I've learned with using gels and heavy pomades and things, it makes the hair look a little bit more gapey. So I'm actually going to grab my Too Faced. This is I think they call it hair wig or brow wig, which is insane. But they don't make this product anymore, but just know that I'm going to link a few other ones that I've used in the same category. And I'm just really going to expose the scalp around my edges, and I'm going to consider this like a brow mascara. I'm going to use this instead to kind of tint the scalp as well as the hairs that will lay as part of my edges. Can you see I'm just kind of wisping that through, and it just basically tinted my scalp without a big mess. And because it is a brow product, it does not make my hair gummy. It doesn't make it too stiff. I can wipe it out if I want to. It stays for 2 or 3 days or until I'm ready to shampoo it out. Like, this has been another game-changing addition to my hair routine. And I just use that brush and just kind of whisk those hairs into edges, like, right? And the hair is just really, really fine around the perimeter. Consider that from all the years of me wearing wigs, or gosh, all of the months that I wear my hair pulled back in a tight bun, because protective styles, they start with buns, right? Now I'm actually going to give the hair a little bit of volume using this Kenra volumizing spray. I love this because it kind of acts like a dry shampoo without it being so drying. Gives my hair tons of lift, tons of texture, and it just works. It smells amazing as well, and it's not as sticky as a hairspray, but it definitely gives you the volume of a hairspray. So I really, really, really enjoy this product as well. I love that I can find it in travel size so it fits in my purse. And this is the last product. This is going to be the R & Co hair pomade. Again, for us fine-haired gals, okay? Are we seeing how this is not making my hair look gummy? I love that it's in a stick. I love that I can find it on Amazon. It is one of those products that doesn't make it feel like I need to wash it out. I don't feel like there's alcohol in the hair, and I absolutely love this product as well. It gives me just enough hold on those fresh parts when the hair is just so fresh it has static in it. It lays that down, keeps those baby hairs in place, and yeah, those are all the tips and tricks of how I do my amazing at-home silk press. Let's put this glam on, and this is the end result. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm hoping that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give me 2 thumbs up if you did. Comment down below on what hairstyles you'll be rocking this summer. Did this video help you any? If so, comment down below. You guys know that I love to connect with you, so make sure you connect with me. Follow me on all my social media links to never miss another upload. And until next time, we'll see you soon. Bye.